Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used mini hatch Cooper Sport finished in black. This Mini features the 1.5 litre petrol engine paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a very charming small hatchback with a very sporty look to it. It sits nicely on the 17-inch John Cooper Works alloy wheels, and it features LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 211 litres of space, which can be increased to 731 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you have a beautiful part leather interior featuring ice fix points on both the rear seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and moving around to the front seats you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have your cruise control, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. You have a display here in the instrument cluster with access to the vehicle's mileage as well as a range of different trip data. Centered here in the dashboard you have the infotainment screen, providing you with access to DAB and FM radio, or you can play your own music with Bluetooth and USB connectivity. You've got your communication page where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth, and there's also Apple CarPlay compatibility, so you can pair your iPhone up to the system and access compatible applications. The system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. This Cooper Sport also comes with rear parking sensors, making parking super easy. Below the display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It also comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console you have 2 cup holders along with your 6-speed manual gear selector. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this used mini hatch Cooper Sport finished in black. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.